Monogram Mompreneur, and in today's video I'll be doing an unboxing and review of Heat Press Nation's CraftPro Heat Press. This is the 15 by 15 baby pink and white heat press, and it comes with, so it's 15 by 15 and it's the slide out plate. So I'm super excited. My old heat press finally hit the dust. We had it about 7 years. And so I'm so excited to have this in the shop now and to review it and show you how it works. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please make sure you hit subscribe. I do lots of embroidery and sublimation tutorials, and I would love for you to follow along with us. So before we get into the video, I'm wearing a different shirt because it was earlier in the day today. I want to talk about how this was shipped. With Heat Press Nation, it was free shipping, so this box, you'll see in the video coming up, it's huge, but it was packaged so well. There was 2 pieces of wood and foam inserts, and it was packaged beautifully. They really did such a good job making sure it didn't get damaged on the way. I couldn't be happier with the color. It's so beautiful and so feminine, perfect for my craft room. I don't know if you can see. Over here we have the pinks and colors, and then we have the pinks and whites here. My favorite, I mean, come on, pinks and teals are my favorite. They did have this heat press in like a mint color, like the color of my walls, but I wanted it to pop, so we got the pink one instead, and I'm so excited to use it. Let me show you, let me flip it around and kind of show you it, and then you'll get into the unboxing. Unboxing and review. I am so impressed with not only the quality of this heat press, you can just feel the strength of it as compared to my old cheap heat press, and it does come with a 1-year warranty from Heat Press Nation, so I mean, hands down, I think it's wonderful. It got here so quick. My husband ordered it as a surprise for me on a Sunday, and it got here on a Thursday, so it was super quick. Overall, I can't wait to keep using this in my videos, so you'll be seeing a lot, and I will post my link below for this heat press. So thank you so much for watching this review of the Heat Press Nation CraftPro Heat Press. I think you're going to love it. Again, it comes in this baby pink color and kind of like an aqua mint color. So cute. This is the 15 by 15 pull out. They do have a swing away option as well, and I think a smaller version. So this is the 15 by 15 pull out tray. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.